Hello everyone, welcome all of you in FunnelAnalysts. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a downloadable file to a page in systeme.io. So to get started, you will need the following: a systeme.io account, a page in edit mode. So first of all, come your systeme.io dashboard, then click on funnels, then open your funnel and then click on edit page, whatever page you want to edit. So this is my landing page. I want to add a downloadable link on this landing page. So I'll just click on edit page. Let's say I want to add the downloadable link here. So I will just remove this button. So for adding the downloadable link, just drag the headline text over here. So I'll just write down here, download now. Then just select the text and then click on this icon, link icon. Then from here, click this icon and then from here, upload your PDF. So I'll just click on save file and then I will add one of the PDF or whatever file you want to attach over the link. So let's just upload the image. You can upload any document over the image, so it's not a problem. Then just click on insert, and then when someone click over here, they can download this image or whatever file you attached over here. Then click on this save icon. Now then click on this save changes or see it on a preview. So see, if I click over here, then the image will be downloaded automatically. See? So yes, that's it for this particular video. This way you can easily add downloadable link